Well, for your third discussion, you can pretty much take almost any part of the article. I think you should know how to do it by now, but if we want to look at taking the world's temperature, and the idea is that we don't know how to, and I think you understand that how that would benefit the fossil fuel industry, and even just the first two websites. It's kind of fun, actually. One of them, you get surfacestation.org, which is incidentally, it looks really official, but if you look into it, you'll find out that it's by a denialist who's working with the Heartland Institute. And, the man just has no credibility, and he's paid by the fossil fuel industry. But that's kind of cool. They even pay him to put up a website that looks really official. And it's the usual stuff. And you can get the argument unpacked here, what they're looking at. You understand that he's made a fake website, or you can just look at his name and you'll get you'll get plenty of fun stuff. So that's footnote number 31, surfacestations.org, and then you can Google that, and then you'll find out who that's by. It's What's Up With That, WATTS, that guy there. And he's just a well-funded climate denialist. So that's kind of fun. You get the idea of why they want to, it's the same as the other one, why they want to twist it around, the credibility of the people involved. And, this is a very elaborate deception. Keep in mind what they're doing. So that's it for the third one. I think you guys should be pretty good at this by now. Email me if you have any questions.